If Epic Games is giving you a connection error, don't worry because in this video I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is a simple troubleshooting guide that can help when the launcher won't sign in, the store won't load, or Epic Games keeps failing to connect even though your internet seems fine. We're going to check the service status, sync your system clock, flush your DNS, clear the launcher cache, disable VPN if needed, restart your router, and finally run the launcher as administrator. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open your browser and visit epicgames.com to check the Epic Games Store status and the login service status. If Epic Games is having an outage, the issue may not be on your computer at all, and you may just need to wait until their servers are back online. If everything shows as operational, then the problem is likely on your device or network, so let's keep going. Next, sync your system clock. On Windows, open Settings, then go to Time and Language and click Date and Time. Make sure your time zone is correct, then click Sync Now. A wrong system clock can cause login and connection problems because Epic Games needs your device time to match securely with its servers. After that, let's flush the DNS cache. Press the Windows key, type Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears out old network data that may be interfering with your connection to Epic Games. Once that's done, we'll clear the Epic Games launcher cache. First, completely exit the launcher from the system tray so it is not running in the background. Then press Windows +R, type %localapp_data% and press Enter. Open the Epic Games launcher folder, then go into Saved and find the web cache folder. Delete that web cache folder or any web cache folders you see there. This forces the launcher to rebuild fresh cache files the next time it opens, which often fixes loading and connection issues. If you are using a VPN, turn it off for now. Some VPNs can interfere with authentication, store access, or server connections, so it's always worth testing without one. Next, power cycle your router. Unplug the router from power, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in and let it fully reconnect. This gives your network a clean restart and can clear temporary connection problems between your device and Epic Games. After that, try launching Epic Games again by right-clicking the shortcut and selecting Run as Administrator. Running the launcher with admin privileges can help it access the files and network permissions it needs to connect properly. If one fix does not solve it, move on to the next, because these issues can sometimes be caused by more than one thing at once. For most users, one of these steps will get Epic Games connecting normally again, and that is how you fix the Epic Games connection error step by step. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and I'll see you in the next video.